Well, there has been a change of toilets again. The Compton was pulled out. We were hoping to be able to put in the 1942 Cadet, but the horn on that toilet was extended, and it, contrary to what I thought, it did not fit with my modern flange. The toilet sat up. We looked at it. It was too deep. It was not possible to install it without some kind of a riser, which I was absolutely unwilling to do. Needed a toilet, wanted something different. It was between the black Cadet or the blue one, and black toilets rule, so that one got put in. And here is Shiva, being as cute as ever. I love my cat, so she needed to make her way into a video eventually. Here she is. But the 88 Black Cadet got installed today. Look at that commodious abyss. Brass flush handle. And courtesy of Mr. Brownbaum, a 200A. Pretty much as new old stock as you're going to find. This thing works great, and we used a tilt valve, so this thing is old school, new school. It's all good to go. And I think it flushes well. The cat is still intrigued with it. That's one dark toilet, but I like it. I'm happy.